Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back. So we're gonna be taking a little break from cooking today and talk summer decor. So from about Memorial Day until the 4th of July, I like to decorate my house for summer kind of patriotic with just little hints of red, white, and blue patriotic kind of scattered throughout. And I don't like to spend a whole lot of money doing that since I'm only decorating for a short amount of time. So I thought today I would just share my tips and tricks with you guys to kind of decorate your homes for the holidays without spending loads of money. Actually, most of these tips are pretty much free. So I've been doing the patriotic Americana theme for a couple years now, and each year I will go and buy just a couple little things to kind of add to my collection. But when I started, I really didn't have anything. So I was basically starting from scratch, and that can be overwhelming to think you're starting up a whole brand new theme to decorate. So if that sounds like you, you're probably just like me, and you probably already have a ton of patriotic decor in your house. I bet 90% of y'all do. Do you know where that is? Any guesses? Your Christmas decor. Yes, how many of us have so many red items in our Christmas decor? Not only red, but you can also use your white things, galvanized things. If you have like star-shaped items, I know a lot of y'all probably remember my little star-shaped nightlight I bring out for Christmas. That works perfectly for my patriotic summer decor. But how many of us have red table runners, pillows? Even if you have to switch them around to the back side where it's just all red, go raid your Christmas boxes. This is gonna give you such a big start if you want to do patriotic Americana decor. And if you really don't use red for Christmas, keep an eye out, especially in the summer, for yard sales. Lots of people are selling, you know, Christmas decor. I actually found 4 red chargers a couple years ago that were Christmas chargers, but I use them now for my patriotic decor. So just keep that in mind. Even Valentine's Day stuff you find in the Target dollar spot that can easily be worked in to use for your summer decor. The next tip I have for you is use printables. There are so many cute free printables online pretty much for any holiday. You can literally go to Pinterest and type in 4th of July free printables, and there will be tons of them. You can go on Etsy if you just want to spend $1 or $2, sometimes not even that much if there's something specific that you want. I like to even make my own. I use PicMonkey to make my thumbnails here for YouTube, so I use that all the time. You can use an empty frame if you have just some frames laying around your house and make a printable for that holiday, put it in the frame, and then bam, you have specific holiday decor for literally $1 or free. And then speaking of printables, how many of us have so many holiday, summertime pictures on our phone? Here's a reminder, print those pictures, because just printing pictures from maybe last year 4th of July, from a cookout, or maybe your family went to the beach, something like that, print those pictures, pop those in some frames, and then you have summer holiday decor, and it's personalized too. All right, tip number 3 is use practical items you already have around your house. And what I'm talking about are things like a beautiful white pitcher, maybe you have a cake stand. Any of those everyday items can really be turned into decor for any holiday. So your white pitcher, maybe pop some red flowers in there, or white, or tie a little red ribbon around the top. That is so adorable, so cheap, and you can do it pretty much for any holiday. Also, kind of think out of the box. 2 things that I use to decorate a lot in my summer decor. One of them is a picnic basket. It's a vintage picnic basket. I'm sure a lot of y'all probably remember it, but the inside is like a red and white gingham pattern. So I love to open that up. I mean, what's more summertime than a picnic basket? I'll kind of play with the little vignette inside the picnic basket, and that is so cute. Another thing I always use is our ice cream maker. It is nothing fancy. It literally came from Walmart. I'm pretty sure they still sell them. It's the Nostalgia brand. I'll try to link it below, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about here. I just put our ice cream maker somewhere in a little nook, in a little corner somewhere, maybe drape a little kitchen towel over it that kind of goes with summertime theme, and that is also so cute. But like I said, it's practical. We still can use it, and we still do, but it can just sit over there and look cute until we're ready for it. So I mentioned using ribbon. I love to use ribbon for different things. Last year on our patriotic tablescape, I literally just took a fork, a knife, and a spoon, took some red and white ribbon, tied those together, put those on my white plate with my Christmas red yard sale chargers. I had a blue star runner, and that made for a really cute and simple patriotic decor. So use your ribbon if you have some red and white. You can also use just some mason jars if you have those. Put some pinto beans in there or whatever beans you have. You can pick up a pack of little American flags from Walmart for super cheap. You can stick some of those down in there, stick some red or white florals, and you have a cute little arrangement to put as your centerpiece or with another vignette. All right, tip number 4 is to shop your grocery stores. You can use so many different items in the grocery store for your decor, especially if you're having kind of a get together or something like that. You can really put together like a fun little 4th of July charcuterie board. Maybe buy some of those little cookies, those sugar cookies with the bright icing on there. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Put some of those in your cake stand, and all of that really adds to your decor. I'm sure that the Target dollar spot, I think they have some little star trays this year. Maybe pop that on a tray with some candy or something like that. All of these things are inexpensive, but they will be used, they'll be eaten or drank, so you're not really wasting a whole lot of money, and it can really make for a cute summer display. So tip number 5, I actually use this one for my Easter decor. I'm sure a lot of y'all remember it, but I literally went out in my backyard, cut some really long twigs, popped those in a vase, and for Easter I did the little Easter eggs. But for summer, for your Americana decor, pop some flags in there, pop some little ribbons on the twigs. I think that would be so cute. It's basically free, and it makes a really big impact. So go outside, use nature. If you're lucky enough to have any, flowers or anything like that in your backyard, even greenery that would look nice, go out there and snip a few, put those in a vase with some water, tie a ribbon around it, and that makes a really big impact. It looks so pretty, adds some freshness to your space, and perfect for summer. Tip number 6 might be my favorite one, and that is to actually use your cookbooks, your recipe books, especially in the kitchen. What is more summertime than American Pie or peach cobbler? If you have an old vintage cookbook, that's even better. You can turn to that page, whether it's black and white or if it has a picture of it. Either way, it's gonna be really cute. But maybe you have a book stand, you can open it up to that page, plop that in there, put a couple other things, maybe a couple bowls and glasses beside it. If you have it open to that, that's boom, already you got some summer decor already made for you. And you can do that for any holiday, not just summer. Do Christmas cookies or do, Southern cornbread dressing for kind of your fall decor. I love doing that, especially with those Southern church cookbooks that we've been kind of cooking through here lately. Open that up to American Pie, and you have the best, most personalized summer decor. Also, if you don't have any cookbooks, that's another way you can do a printable. You can just go onto Word or something like that, print out a recipe, plop it in a frame, put it with a nice tray and a couple other things in your kitchen, maybe beside your stove, and that will look so cute. And basically, you didn't have to spend any money at all on that. So that's all I have for y'all today. I hope that this video gave you an idea or two to decorate for summer. I'm about to start decorating our house, and I can't wait. I'm definitely going to be using every single tip and trick that I had for y'all today. I hope y'all are doing amazing. I hope you are able to enjoy some warm weather this week. We're having a beautiful day today, so I can't wait to get outside. But anyways, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye, y'all. Do y'all hear that? Do y'all know what that means? That means it is almost summer. So Hobby Lobby is putting out their Christmas decor. Hooray! Okay, I know that was cheesy, and no, I'm not going Christmas decor shopping just yet, but when Hobby Lobby starts bringing out that fall and Christmas, you know what they do put out? Clearance items. So I wanted to add this in this video as well. If you haven't been to Hobby Lobby yet, they have tons of clearance items. In mine, they're kind of scattered throughout the whole store. You just have to look for that bright little orange sticker, but you can seriously find some really good deals right now. I did take a few clips the other day. I'm gonna go ahead and insert them kind of while I'm talking to y'all. These are the things that I did not get. I only picked up a couple items, but I thought, why not share them with y'all since we're talking decor today. Also, here's a little sneak peek at our kitchen. I've already started putting things back here because I just can't help myself, but it's not done yet. We don't even have the grout in the subway tile yet. You can kind of see a little bit of the hood up there, but of course, don't worry, there'll be a whole video on the kitchen reveal soon, but it's looking so good. It already looks so much brighter in here without the big microwave there. But anyway, let me show y'all all the cuteness they had at Hobby Lobby just in case you would like to check it out, and let me show y'all after that what I bought. Alright, so like I said, I only got a couple items. This is the first one I got. It's just a black big bowl, but it's super heavy, it's super good quality, and I just thought up against the white subway tile, and our cabinets are also gonna be like a warm white. This will be so pretty just to set some fruit in or anything I really wanted to put in here, even some greenery just sitting over here, some faux food, I don't even know, but this was originally $39.99 and I got it for $9.99. All their clearance is like 75 at least % off, so definitely go and check it out. But I just love this because right now for our fruit, I just use a basic Pioneer Woman bowl. It's pretty, but it really doesn't go with my decor. So when I saw this, I thought I could definitely use it and I grabbed it. All right, let me show you the other thing I got. This is my favorite thing. So I also got this shelf. Look at this, y'all. This is so me. This is so my style. I love this. I can't believe it was on clearance. It was originally $70. Now, your girl ain't paying $70 for this little shelf. I mean, no. But I got it for $17.49. That I can do. But I just think this is so cute. I love the colors of that kind of natural wood with the white, has a little bit of distressing on there. And I'm thinking this is gonna go in our foyer. I plan to do a decorate with me soon in there. I kind of want to add some things and change some things up, take that hutch back out of there, and I don't know what we'll do, but when I saw this, I definitely knew that would be so pretty in there. Here it is up close. And like I said, $17. $17, y'all. So here's your reminder, go to Hobby Lobby this weekend if you can. Go by Starbucks first, get you a coffee, and just take your time if you can, because these little orange stickers are kind of everywhere. It's kind of fun. It's kind of like a treasure hunt. You have to kind of look on every aisle, up and down. I might even go back today and just see, because I was in a hurry when I went. But anyway, I hope you guys get a chance to go this weekend because you can find some really cute stuff on clearance. But for real this time, that's going to be it for today. I hope you have a good weekend. Go check out Hobby Lobby, and I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Bye, y'all.